Now we shall start the study of next unit, that is unit number 4. In this unit, we shall be dealing with following chapters: A. Atomic structure, B. Chemical bonding, C. P-block elements and their compounds. So let us begin with A. Atomic structure. In this chapter, we shall be studying the following major articles. Number 1, Introduction. Number 2, Bohr model. Number 3, quantization of energy levels and hydrogen spectrum. Number 4, wave mechanical model. In this article, we shall be covering following sub-articles. Number 1, de Broglie's dual nature of matter. Number 2, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. 3, Schrodinger's wave equation. 4, orbitals and quantum numbers, Pauli's exclusion principle. Number 5, Aufbau principle and electronic configurations. Finally, the 6th will be radial distribution function. Number 1, Introduction. We all know that first of all, Dalton proposed his atomic theory in 1808, suggesting that each element is composed of extremely small indivisible particles called atoms. But with the discovery of isotopes, this concept of indivisibility of atom was disapproved. Then William Crookes discovered electrons as one of the fundamental particles of atom. Goldstein in 1886 discovered protons as another fundamental particle. Then came Thomson model of atom, in which he suggested an atom, a sphere of positive electricity with a number of electrons distributed in it. Later on, in 1909, Rutherford performed his famous alpha scattering experiment, which led to the discovery of nucleus. Then in 1932, Chadwick discovered yet another fundamental particle of atom, that is neutrons. Of course, since then, many new particles like positrons, mesons, neutrinos, etc. have been discovered. But in spite of that, the most important fundamental particles of an atom are considered to be protons, electrons and neutrons. A comparison of their properties is given in the following table. In this table, there are 5 columns. First for serial number, second for property, third for proton, fourth for electron, and fifth for neutron. So at serial number 1, we have symbol as property. The symbol for proton is H11 or P11. For electron it is E-10, and for neutron it is N01. At serial number 2, we have mass as the property. For proton, its value is 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams, or 1.00727 AMU, that is atomic mass unit. For electron, the values are 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram or 0.000548 AMU. Finally, for neutron, the values are 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram or 1.00867 AMU. At serial number 3, the property is charge. Proton has 1 unit positive charge or plus 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU, electrostatic unit, or plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. For electron, it is 1 unit negative charge or minus 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU or minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Neutrons are of course neutral particles. Finally, at serial number 4, we have a property in the form of relation with atomic number Z and mass number m. Protons are equal to Z in an atom. Electrons are also equal to Z, but in neutral atom, not in the ion. And the number of neutrons in an atom is equal to m minus Z. I would like to draw your attention towards the following note. The first point of the note is, outside nucleus, neutrons are less stable than protons because a neutron decays into proton and electron with the liberation of energy. That is, N01 changing into H11 plus E minus 10 plus energy. The half change period for neutron is about 20 minutes. Well, second point of the note is, protons and neutrons are also known as nucleons, as we have already studied in the chapter of nuclear chemistry. Third point is that electrons are found outside the nucleus, and in this chapter we are mainly concerned with this part of the atom. The structure of this part is called extranuclear structure of atom. So let us have study of extranuclear structure of atom. In this, we shall study the behavior and arrangement of electrons outside the nucleus. Since electrons are responsible for all chemical reactions and compound formations, obviously, study of this structure is most important from chemistry point of view. Well, in order to understand this structure, the first systematic model was proposed by Bohr. Later on, some improvements were suggested by Sommerfeld, etc. But Bohr model is considered as a milestone in the history of development of atomic structure. With the development of wave mechanics, the modern model of atomic structure came into existence, and that is called wave mechanical model. In this chapter, we shall be studying both these models in as much detail as our course and level allow.